Making sense of the enormous amount of data collected by police every day is a challenge. Forensic Pathways in Tamworth has developed profiling software to identify criminals and connect them to their crimes. Mobile phone records, emails and other electronic data all build a picture. The computer program sifts and sorts the information and has come up with some interesting results. Judy Aslett reports.
Every day, all of us create data. We go shopping, make phone calls, or walk along a street filmed by CCTV. The challenge of the 21st century is how to make that data make sense.
One of the problems that we face is there is so much information, it's difficult to make sense of it. So what we do is we help organisations like the police service collect that information, sort it, sift it, and give them the sorts of information, items of information and the knowledge that they need to make decisions quickly.
Richard Leary's award-winning technology can be used by the police in all areas of intelligence. One method his company is currently developing is analysing phones taken from suspects when they are arrested.
Well, we've got the telephone. Let's take it back and see what we can do with it.
Back at the office, the phone is taken apart and the information stored in the handset and the SIM card put into the computer. As well as being able to read the text and address book, the computer program can also give details of all the other phones the handset has contacted.
This telephone is associated with 3 SIM cards. Here's the first SIM card, here's the second SIM card, and here's the third SIM card. What this means is that this handset is actually being used by something we call a SIM swapper. That's somebody that is using more than one SIM card in their handset, and often that's to try to disguise the telephone traffic or the information contained.
In fact, SIM swapping has given Forensic Pathways more information because every SIM card used by the handset can be identified. Then every phone that SIM card has contacted can also be analysed.
What we have here is a situation in which you don't really need, quite often, to have recovered the telephone that you're interested in, because there will be information transmitted from that phone over the network to other telephones that we do have possession of, and we can recover those phones and the data.
Last year, Forensic Pathways analysed 12,000 handsets recovered by Bedfordshire Police. The results were staggering.
What this is telling us is that a small nucleus of criminal activity is being undertaken by people who own mobile telephones who know each other.
The computer can also be used to detect fraud using a system of identity resolution. I've just opened a bank account using my driver's licence and my credit card as a means of identification. I'm now going back to Forensic Pathways where they can add information about me to see if I really am who I say I am.
Well, here's the name. Here is a confirmed address, a confirmed name. There is information in the system to confirm who you say you are. We have a vehicle registration number. If this information didn't come up, then it would raise questions about who you say you are.
Piecing together bits of information is essential to solving crime. As more information is collected about all of us, the more the police need to know how to use it. Computers can't solve crime, they are a tool. If used intelligently, they will take policing in Britain into the 21st century.